Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be reinstalling Windows 98 onto this Dell Dimension 4100 here, and currently it has Windows Millennium Edition on it, and I want to get Windows 98 reinstalled onto here and get some drivers onto it. But first, I have to swap out the hard drive with a more era-appropriate Quantum Fireball because it's from the 90s. This hard drive here is from the 2000s, and it's too quiet for my liking. So, yes, I know this hard drive is all opened up and stuff. I opened it up because I thought it was dead, and then all of a sudden it started working. So, here we go, working hard drive. I'm going to use that. It's a 40 gig hard drive. This hard drive that's currently in this computer is 120 gigabytes or something, and it's definitely not too big for Windows 98. So I'm going to swap that Fireball into there. So shut down, push the monitor, keyboard stuff back, and I'll just unplug. Just unplug the computer, then I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. When I got this computer, it had Windows XP on it, and of course they upgraded it with a bigger hard drive, and then upgraded to Windows XP. That's the most likely reason why there's a different hard drive in here. Now, side panel, just gotta get it on. There we go. Now you can even see the Windows 98 product key right there. That was very loud. Gotta remove this metal piece here, just for stability, I guess. Now there's the hard drive. I'm gonna have to remove that. Okay. And remove the front bezel. Then there's two screws on the back here, holding the hard drive in. Go. Now, hard drive just slides out like this, so you can get this. What's this size? 80 gigabyte Western Digital Caviar SE out. Put this nice Quantum 40 gigabyte Fireball in there. So I'm gonna connect the IDE cables. Now, I swear if this stops working, this hard drive now, I will be very not happy. There we go. Now hard drive's in there. You can screw it in. There we go. It's in there. Put the side panel back on. I'm at the front bezel. Back on. That's all nice and clipped in. Side panel. Go. Now time to screw it in. Actually, wait, I forgot to put the support beam back in there. Let's just get that in there first. That was close. There we go. Now I can put this side panel back on. Back here. Okay. It's not completely aligned, but that's fine. All right. That's in there. Now I can plug the computer back in to power the video, mouse, keyboard. We should be good to go. Power it on. Okay, good. The hard drive still works. It's posting. Get this computer into the shot. So this is the disk I'm going to be using to install Windows. Now this Quantum has Windows XP on it. I got the hard drive as is, so it's not going to boot up. So just pop the disk into there, Control Delete out of here. Delete. I hope it'll boot from the CD. So alright, there we go. Starting Windows 98. Product recovery. Go, click OK. Hard partitions are missing. Would you like to? Yes. You want to recover? Yes. Now, this isn't like, this isn't the, what was it? This isn't like the recovery disk that restores it to how it was when it came from the factory. It's just like, sort of like, you know, those Dell OEM disks, like for Windows XP and Windows Vista, they just installed the bare operating system basically with maybe the OEM activation and stuff like that, you know, some extra stuff added in there. But like, this is basically what this disk is. So it's creating the partitions. So it's plus priors trademark, the little trademark logo, emergency recovery. So copyright 1993 to 2000, Software Logistics Corporation, DBA iLogistics. So I think it's gonna take a little while. So I'll be back. So the hard drive just turned off, which isn't good. So I hope it still works. But I guess I'll have to see. this hard drive, was dead when I got it and it started working, so I'm not really surprised that it died again. So let's see. Let's see if it still detects a... Yeah, so the hard disk is broken. Let's try and restart it. Yeah, it's broken. So let's check it out. See how it's doing. Let's just move all of this back. Okay. Oh, forgot to remove the thumb screw. Right. There we go. There's the hard drive that died for the second time. Okay. So front cover removed once again. Okay, let's see. Maybe I just need to like bang it. Alright. Let's see if it's gonna be detected now. I doubt it will be. Oops. Okay. Let's get the power cable in there. No, nothing. So we should just hold it at an angle, maybe. Okay. Let's turn it off. So this hard drive is dead. So unfortunately, I was not able to install Windows 98 onto this hard drive. I'll try again with this hard drive next time. This much newer one here, which has 40 gigabytes more storage. So unfortunately, I have to end the video here because I am running out of time. So maybe this will be part 1. I think this will be part 1, and next 2 will come out next week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.